Hi, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Welcome to Find Your Mate. Please tell us something about your work experience.
I am a visit visa. I have my experience before in Dubai Marina. So I am working in Indian family, but they are U.S. citizens. So I finished my contract there, and mostly I am a full-time housemaid, doing everything, taking care of the baby, household.
Okay. When your visa expire?
This coming November 24.
Okay, and how much salary are you looking for?
Expecting 2,000
Okay, and why you're asking this amount? Why do you think you deserve 2,000 and above?
because I have my own experience. I'm willing to apply this, and I have ability. You can trust me.
Okay, are you married or single?
I'm married.
Do you have any kids?
I have one son.
Okay, I will now ask you questions about different situations you may encounter while on the job, okay? If the baby is non-stop crying, what will you do?
I will call my employer. I'll tell them and ask them why the baby is not stop crying if I can't manage.
Okay, and how do you know if the baby got sick?
Mostly, if the baby's got sick, it's uh, slightly hot and not feeling well or
Okay, how about cooking? Do you have any specialty in cooking?
cooking. I'm doing cooking before, but it's Indian food.
Okay, and how about cleaning the house? Which area do you usually start working in?
I'm start in the master bedroom, going to hall and kitchen.
Okay, and why do you think you should be hired?
Especially, I have my own, I have experience, and I'm good as well.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.